twin day. You see, we have this thing called Jessisms, okay? Jess was wearing his earrings last week.
Today, Junior.
There were these big gold, like, plate-looking things, and they look like gongs, right? Like the... And Jess goes, they're like dongs. Dongs, really? I was like, it's called a gong. She's like, no, it's a dong.
Bang the dong?
Yeah.
No.
Listen, there are some cute guys on TikTok. Where did these guys come from, and why do they not live in Idaho? You don't know Esteban? You've never seen Esteban?
I like
Yeah.
this one. They were like, hey, Brandon, what you gonna do? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Flash. Yeah. Now that you know how my eyes be, I'm rocking Caesar and Nike. But you know me, I'm low key.
Wait for it.
Don't say a word, word. I've been trapping couple days. I've been on my rock start. They were like, hey, Brandon, what you gonna do?
Like, where do these guys live at? With these rock hard bodies and stuff?
Rock hard bodies.
Where are you from, sir?
If you're watching this on YouTube, let us know where you live. We're here to show off our cuteness.
I'm here to win.
I
We
dig
don't
it.
have any matching clothes apparently.
Did you make those?
Yeah.
You did?
2 a.m. Seriously. Maybe
You're up
at
till 2 a.m.
I was, yeah.
Oh my god.
Which I feel like we also learned that I can't craft. No, they're great.
What? It looks great.
I'm gonna
My
cherish
circles
this. Don't even look right. Like
No, it
they're.
looks great.
I thought the paint would dry and the strokes would go away, but it.
Also put my hair in space buns for the first time ever. I think I'm gonna keep these in for the rest of the day.
That is
I'm
super
probably
cute.
Gonna Snapchat with them.
You guys should do a TikTok.
Do it.
I have TikTok. Do it. I don't have time. It's fine.
I'm pretty sure it's wrong movie.
That's not
Wrong
the right
movie,
one.
but
Well then.
I love Dr. Seuss. Oompa Loompa.
Irina has officially made it to the wall of shame. Well, Maddie's already on there.
Maddie, congrats.
You're on the wall again. The wall of shame. Congrats.
Make sure not to rip off that gorgeous piece.
The new addition.
This whole wall is so aesthetically pleasing.
Look at this.
It's beautiful.
Ta-da!
Addition right at the top next to all of them.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it's
made it!
beautiful.
Mama, I made
You've officially graduated to
You were
the...
already on the wall. Here.
Well,
And down there. I have still not made the wall because I don't take stupid pictures.
That's bullshit.
I think that's stupid. Look at that.
My favorite is still coral. That's still my favorite.
How do you feel that you've graduated?
I will find a photo of Jessica. I will put it. My short little arms will put it on the wall.
There is no picture out there of me like
I'll do some digging tonight.
no.
We'll see about that.
Go find one.
Tyler's little ferret head's coming off.
Carly,
Yeah, Carl, you haven't made it on the wall of shame.
you made it.
Irina.
on the wall of
Irina,
shame.
you
Irina, you
graduated.
made it to the wall of shame.
Look at us.
What?
Look at us.
I love it.
I do like the crack dealer that meets you in the alley that's like, wait, Maddie, Maddie, you know that picture?
I got a
you
2
just
for 1
showed
deal.
me
I got a
that's
broken
like-
TV and some crack.
I just look like a mug for a snack or something.
That's what your fridge sees at 2 in the morning.
yeah.
Give me a person to freehand draw with my magic board.
Jeremy.
Well, you asked for Jeremy, so.
What?
How's this?
It's like Squidward. Alright, I'd like to see you draw me, please.
3, 2, 1, killing. Ta-da! See? It's perfect.
Why do I have such shitty eyelashes?
I don't know. Maybe this is the post-quarantine look. How's that turn out? This is exactly what Michael looks like.
Oh my god.
This is called the free real estate portion right up here. You can see a full house could fit up on that. There's a lot of space for activities, particularly in this region right here. And in some cases, when the sun hits it, it kind of serves as like a beacon and it shines. The joke is funny because he has a big forehead, but it's also funny because I have the same size forehead we measured. It just makes me sad because I know that one day my hair is going to go away and I'm going to have the same forehead as Michael.